Yo, Mac, hold up.
Man, I got 15 minutes, bro. Yeah, you finally fucking catch up. Like, you gotta catch up. So what I'm doing right now, I'm trying to stretch my lats because I'm about to do these T-bar rolls. And I'm doing the T-bar rolls traditional from the ground up. Just keep up, y'all, all right? Do it that way, because I don't have enough time to fully stretch and warm up. So 15 minutes, we got 15 minutes to do what we wanna do. So today we doing back. We're gonna do back, lats, center, and all that. We start off with the T-bar rolls. I'm about to go get a plate right now. I'm about to jump into it. All right, holla at y'all. Where I get them from? I got them from Amazon. What kind of gloves they are? My gloves. I'm gonna do 4 sets. That's the warm-up set. Then the next 3 active sets. So, about to add some more weight to it. We ain't gonna record all 4 for you guys, all right? Because we gotta keep it moving. Remember, we got 15 minutes to get our back pumped up, all right? Right now, we about to go ahead and do a heavier lift with these T-bars. Since I've been on my max stack, my strength is kind of nice. The max stack, not gonna mention how many times I'm eating a day now too, so I'm back chasing them numbers, baby. Yeah. 15 minutes, so we got about 12 left. Let's go to something else. All right, so look, we about to do a full stretch on these lats without having our legs and support sitting here. So the weight don't have to be so heavy. Oh, this kind of heavy. Before we go, oh, the 105 pounds, Mac, you tripping. Put that bitch on 75. Do, we don't count. Remember, we don't count. Reason why we don't count, because you might be able to do 10, you might be able to do 20. Don't put limitations on what you can do, on the goals that you can reach. We count sets, baby. We doing 4 sets. What y'all say, Mac? Pull up your shorts. We going back in, baby. All right, so now we're about to go do some dumbbell rolls. We gotta stay on this back right now. I think we got like 8 minutes left. Let's get to it. We caught you on the phone on this video, just to let you know.
Right now?
Oh yeah, when you was over there doing the leg curls?
No, dude.
Yeah. Yeah, bust you out. Yeah, so walked up, just to let y'all know, I walked up, she was back on her phone again. So now she's, I don't know.
I'm gonna get it.
You gonna get it?
Yep.
Yeah, Pay close attention to her. Yeah, we're gonna start off with something light. Spider dumbbell rows. It's a great routine to get both of the, if you notice, I've been doing a lot of pulling and a lot of rolling because I like the center of my back to be thick, like peanut butter. Ready? Let's go. I ain't even gonna shoot y'all.
Yeah.
I like to bring the dumbbell this way and swing out. Now what that do is activate the whole outer and inner lat at the same time. I'll show you what I mean. We working, baby. We working. All right, so look, we actually finished it a whole lot sooner than 15 minutes. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna finish off with some pull-ups with our own body weight. For those of you, if you think you're super strong lifting all that heavy shit, do pull-ups afterwards. And if you can get your pull-ups on 3 sets of whatever your count gonna be, you the man. I'll show you what I mean. I'm about to go on about my day. I'll smell y'all later. All right, so next time, suck it easy.